152. And our topic is unit VMU issues, and Liang will present this topic. You may present the application.
Wow. Okay, sure. Sure. Oh, sorry for your time. To- today I will share the VMU issue workshop. Uh, Today's workshop will cover what is VMU, VMU workflow process, rental unit requirement, and VMU issue and summary. Firstly, let me briefly explain what is VMU. VMU stands for Virtual Mockup, and it is a digital walkthrough before actual construction complete. And VMU mainly used for design review, coordination, and issue identification. For our VMU workflow, we are using software such as Revit, Revit and Twinmotion to prepare and review the VMU model. And next, I will share about the VMU workflow process. Firstly, we coordinate with consultant to confirm the unit type and number of the unit required for the HDB walkthrough. After confirmation, we prepare the VMU models, including the architectural, structural, and NEP components with detailed dimension, material specification, and demarcation line according to HDB VMU guide. So the workflow process is create the VMU models, and then next one is VMU session with consultants or client, and then send out the comments, issue report to siting and painting, follow up and revise all the issue. The last one is send out the closure report review and for review and sign off. So let me share about the rental unit requirement. For rental unit, there are several requirements that are different from sole unit. For example, toilet do not have the ceiling facade, and for the toilet, wall height is full height, and at the kitchen is 1.5 meter height, wall height, and with the plastic painting above. And kitchen is only provide the sink and do not have the cabinet, and the gas heater is omitted. Then for the bedroom is single swing door and no sliding door, and caregiver and DB door is omitted, and gray bar also omitted. Then internal ceiling close drain rack is the mounting type, not the retractable type. Then the main door is do not have doorbell, and AC latch do not have the isolator. All the electrical services are exposed, and except the household shelter area, and all the sanitary services are exposed. Then hot water pipe are omitted. Then here is an example for one of the rental unit layout. In this plan, it's provide the 3-panel sliding door at bedroom, and also caregiver space and DB room. They provide the door. So in this case, we need to check with siting or consultant for the correct info to follow in our VMU models based on the rental requirements. So let's go through the unique VMU issue. Some of the unique VMU issue. First is tiling. Kitchen being soffit is typically finished with plastic and painting of tiling. If tiles are applied at the soffit level, it will result in cut tiles and a poor visual vision. Then the next one is the main entrance ramp to living room. For the main door ramp, consultant and HTB generally prefer century to be covered with the 1 foot high, and then with partial tie at the both ends. If adjustments are required for the tiling in the living room and kitchen room, we should check with architect whether it is acceptable for the ramp tiling are not at the centric accordingly. So and then the next one is the PBU floorway floor track. For the PBU tiling, normally they have a slope for the water to go to the floorway floor track. We need to check the proper cutting for the floorway and floor track. In these two images, they have two different cutting for the floorway floor track. We need to confirm with siting and consultant which type they are preferred. The next one is the main door stopper. Every unit main door need to provide the door stopper for the handle due to the prevent damage to the wall and door frame. And the next one is the caregiver room light switch position. When the door open toward to the right side, the lighting switch should be relocated on the left-hand side of the door for easier access. One important point to note is that if the switch position is installed incorrectly and requires to relocate, it may affect the PPU precast recess, and result in additional modification work. And the next one is usually the switch installation standard is 1.2 meter to the center of the switch. And at the background, the switch should be positioned 100 from the door frame. Then for the kitchen, the switch also maintain the 100 clearance from the edge of the wall tie due to the future door provision requirements. And the next one is unit VMU. The next one is the issue is due to the drywall condition, the switch cannot install too close to the wall edge. Therefore, a clearance of 150 to 200 from the edge of the wall to the switch is required. The next one is the dimension and NEP marking. Nowadays, HDB relies more heavily on the VMU walkthrough process and the review. The review during the walkthrough has become more detailed and straightened. For example, the PowerPoint are required to to include the proper marking, and such as and the dimension must show the more accurate and detail, such as the wall to the switch dimension. Okay, then this help to ensure the better coordination and compliance with the required and higher construction quality before the actual completion. After collect all the comments, we will create the issue in the ACC platform and assign them to the responsible parties and follow up. Once resolved, closure report and closure photo and report are prepared for consultant and or clients to review. Okay. For the summary, VMU is an important digital coordination process that help identification issue earlier before construction completion. Through the proper issue tracking, coordination, and follow-up, we can improve the project quality, reduce the reward, and support smoother HCB review and approval processing. Okay, that's all for my workshop. Do you have any questions? Thank you.
Do you have any question for me?
And answer by Liang Yue. Boss.
If you don't have any question, please proceed in our Moodle, please. And also, tomorrow we have a workshop also. Please join at 9:30.
Okay, thank you.